So good evening, everyone. We are discussing the course called Computerized Accounting System. Computerized Accounting System to become a virtual accountant, to act as a virtual accountant. So here I want to know the differences between the manual accounting system and and computerized accounting system and computerized accounting system. What are the differences are there? First, we need to understand these are the differences as well as the advantages of virtual accounting systems. So can you list out some of the differences, Anita? So we can prepare a chart of differences also. Anita, can you explain some of the differences between the manual accounting system and the computerized accounting system?
Yeah, manual accounting means nowadays we are not using. This is pen based, means pen and paper based manual accounting system.
Okay.
Computerized accounting system means total computerized. It's system and it's computer based. Only online.
Right. So here we need to say the two things. The concept will differ from manual accounting system to computerized accounting system. What is the process of accounting system? And the financial transactions are recorded, processed, and presented to generate the financial statement. That is useful for the readers. Uh, the process of accounting is what? What is the accounting cycle? Here we will prepare journal, ledger, trial balance, trading and profit and loss account, and the balance sheet. This is the process. This is the accounting cycle. Whether it is a computerized accounting system, whether the manual accounting system, the principles of accounting system is same. Principles will never change. Debit is debit, credit is credit. It will not change. What is the difference are? Means the mechanism of working. The mechanism of working will change. In the manual computerized system, the accountant, trained accountant, manual accounting no one can do. You must have a good accounting knowledge. Otherwise, you can't do a manual accounting system. But for computerized accounting system, you can learn the computers and you can do the accounting. So here, they were used to use a registers. They used to use a registers. Okay, I think all of you joined. Okay. Please try to attend the classes on time from tomorrow. So here in the manual accounting system, to record the transactions, to record the financial transactions, we used to use a registers. Okay, books, vouchers. With the emerging technologies towards today's computers, accounting is Wagyu due to its accuracy and all these things. Here we will use computers and the softwares. Computers and the softwares. For what purpose? To record the transactions. To record the transactions. Okay. So what we are discussing again, from the beginning I'm discussing why the students came late. So we are discussing the differences between the manual accounting system and the computerized accounting system. So here, okay, if we discuss manual accounting system, this is the manual and this is computerized accounting system. Okay, if you prepare a chart of differences, what is the first difference is about the meaning. The first difference about the meaning. What is the difference? So the meaning definition is, the difference is, manual accounting is a system of accounting that uses physical registers, account books for keeping the financial records. Here in the meaning, manual accounting system is a system which is developed based upon the books and the registers. Here computerized accounting system is a system which is developed based upon the computers and the softwares. Second point is recording. Here recording, here the journal is called as book of original entry. In the manual system, we will record the transactions in the books. We will record the transactions in the books. Here data content is recorded in the database. Here we'll record the content in the database. The first one meaning is the system. The manual accounting meaning means the accounting system which is developed based upon the manual procedures, which is developed based upon the books registers. The computerized accounting system means the system which is developed based upon the computers and the softwares. And the recording of the financial transactions. In the manual accounting system, we use the book of original entry. By using the pen and the paper, we used to record the transactions. But in the computerized accounting system, we'll use the customized database to record the data content and record the general entries into the financial records. So next is calculations. This is very, very important. How the calculations will be done. All the calculations is performed manually. Okay. Here automatically computer will calculate, computer will perform the calculations. Here the accountant has to perform the manual calculations. So what is the first difference? What is the first difference? Basis of comparison. This is called as a basis of comparison. What is the first base we are comparing? The meaning. Second base is the recording. Third one is the calculations. And fourth one is the speed. Fourth one is the speed. So here speed is not possible. So here manual accounting is slow. Here computerized accounting system is comparatively faster. Here speed, here it is comparatively faster. Okay, clear? Any doubts still here, students?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Clear.
Sheikh Hadia, can you tell me the differences? 4 differences. What we discussed now. Can you explain me?
Yes, sir, sure.
Yeah.
Basic computer. First one is the meaning. In meaning, manual accounting is books and
Mhm. Okay, you are not there at that point, right? You came late. Okay, which point you understood?
yes, sir, I came.
Which points you understood?
I understood all, but I unable to express, sir. In meaning, the manually we just use the book. In reading, we just use book of original entry. In computer, we use database.
Okay, Anita, can you help me?
Calculation, manually we do manually calculation, but in at computer perform calculation automatically. The speed in manually goes slow. The speed will go slow. In computer, comparative faster, sir.
Mhm. Yes, Anita,
Yes, yes.
can you explain me, please?
Yeah, okay. Manual accounting system is a accounting system which is developed based on registers and books, and a computer accounting system is a accounting system which is developed based on computer and software.
Yes.
And in recording, in manual accounting system, we record in books of original entry,
Mhm.
and in the computer accounting system, we recorded in database.
Mhm.
By calculation, in manual accounting system, we use manually, and in computer accounting system, our computer will perform the calculations. And the speed in manual accounting system, it is very slow, and in computer accounting system, it is comparatively faster than manual accounting system.
Very good. Okay. So here my advice to the students to improve the listening powers. Improve the listening powers. Don't try to read and explain. You will not understand my handwriting. Okay, this is the writing of handwriting like this. We learn from our teacher. He used to write like this on the board. He will not write clear on the board. It's not allowed to copy paste what is written on the board. You must focus what is sir is written. I am pronouncing the word, then I am writing on the board. So listen. Some students will try to write first. They will not listen. Some students will listen. They will not write. Okay. The learning method is not like that. Your ears has to work and hand has to work. It's a multitasking. Learning is a multitasking. Now clear? So meaning, what is the meaning? I'm again explaining. Okay, these things why we can't move if the students will not understand any words. So meaning, what is the meaning? Here, meaning point of view, we have a manual accounting system and we have a computerized accounting system. Okay, manual accounting system, the meaning, the manual accounting system is a system which is developed based on the registers, developed based upon the books. We will use manual accounting system is a system which is developed to use registers and books to keep financial records. Clear? Here in the computerized accounting system is a system which uses here they are using registers and books to maintain the financial records, to keep the financial records. In the computerized accounting system, they use computers, and having a computer is not enough. You must have a software also. You must have a software also. Clear about both the systems. The differences between both the systems are clear, right? Here, manual accounting system is a system which is developed based upon the manual recording procedures. Clear? Any doubts? Next.
It's clear.
Okay. Hadia, clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. Recording. Here they are using manual books, right? Here they are using registers. In the manual accounting system, they are using. The system is totally developed based upon the manual records. So obviously the recording will go in books. That is called as a book of, which book they will write? Book of original entry.
Original entry.
The book of original entry. Here all the data will be recorded on the, we are using
Database.
the customized database. We are using the customized database. Clear? Two differences are clear. Abdullah,
Yes, sir.
can you explain me, please? So first one is
Sir,
the, it's clear. Yes, bolo.
Sir, in the manual accounting, meaning books, manual books and physical registration to keep records of financial data.
Okay.
In computer accounting, it is use a computer with software to collect financial data, records, maintain via books of original entries. Computer accounting, a computer database is used to record data content. The calculation, perform the calculation by the hand.
Okay.
Computer accounting done by the computer.
Very good.
Speed. Manual accounting have slow speed more than computer accounting.
Okay. Very good. Next is comparison in the adjustments. Adjustment entries. Adjustment entries means here in the manual accounting and the computerized accounting system. For example, this is your book. Okay, this is your book. Here, first you written 150, then you added one more. You added one. If you use the computers, you put 50 here and you save the transaction. After saving, the computer will show you the bank screen. Right? When the transaction is saved, you can't change, you can't adjust, you can't modify. But here in the manual records, yes, you can do the adjustment entries. It is made for rectification of errors. The manual system is made for rectification of entries. अंत मुझे पेंसिल्स तो नहीं रास्ते पेंसिल से लिखते थे फिर मेड देते थे फिर लिखते थे. But here in computerized accounting system is not allowing the rectification. Computerized accounting system is not allowing the rectification. It's not made for rectification of entries. Once the entry is done, that will save in the database. If you want to rectify, yes, there is a separate procedure is there. But generally, you can't modify the transactions like this. Clear? Any doubt? Please write down. Adjustment entries are in manual accounting system. Yes, the manual accounting system is made that we can modify the adjustment entries. So what is the fifth difference comparison is adjustment entries. Adjustment entries means these are not the final account adjustments, my dear CA students. Adjustment entries means the rectification entries. The modification, the alterations is allowed. Next is very, very much important is called as a backup. Backup. So here in the manual accounting system and the computerized accounting system. In the manual accounting system, not possible of backup. Can you take a backup? Not possible. If it is there, yes, there is a chance. How, sir? By making a copy, Xerox, or scan and save. That is not called as a backup. But yes, in the computers, first the transactions can be saved and backup. We can save the transactions and we can do the backup, and we can reopen the backup, and we can reuse the backup. For example, now the manual record you lost. Then again you need to completely prepare. But here, once the transactions are saved, some softwares are automatically making a backup. Auto backup facilities are there. So as a Madhya, he is having a doubt that if virus will attack, sir, yes, virus can affect the saved file, but you have a backup in your external pen drive outside of your computer, or you can save the backup in your cloud, or you can save your backup in your email. You must save. The advantage of a computerized accounting system is allowing you to take a backup. If you will not take a backup, if you lost the data, khalas. There is no difference between the manual and virtual accountant. So as a virtual accountant, your duty to save the data first, then back up the data. Otherwise, it's very difficult. Clear? What is the sixth difference? Backup. The sixth difference is backup. Okay, sixth point is called as a backup. Now, next one is trial balance. Obviously, when we have to prepare a trial balance in the manual accounting system and computerized accounting system, when we will prepare the trial balance, we'll prepare when the trial balance will be prepared when necessary. There is no time, right? If you want to prepare a monthly, you can prepare monthly or quarterly or yearly. But you have to start the process. What is the process for preparing the trial balance? First, you need to complete the journal. Next, you need to complete the ledger, right? Next, after closing the ledger, you can prepare a trial balance. So this is the procedure. It will take time. You can't. It's not ready at all times if you are using the manual computerized accounting system, But yes, here in computerized accounting system, instant trial balance is allowed. Instant trial balance is available all times. Instant trial balance is available all times. This is the advantage. Clear? Trial balance is ready all times. Here, when is necessary, you have to prepare a trial balance. Please write down the notes, students. Next. So sixth one is backup. Seventh one is trial balance. Okay. So eighth one is financial statements. Financial statement. My dear student, there is an exam. You will get a certificate after passing the exam only. So properly prepare the notes. There is no tuch, tupal, sorry in this course. You miss the class means you miss the class. Okay. Please remember, this is a certification program and will not issue a certificate easily. You should clear your exams. Then only you will get a certification. Otherwise, simply you can, yes, we can allow you for the next batch. So any number of years, once you register with us, you can continue. But exam is exam. You should qualify the exam. Okay. So financial statements. Last difference is called as a financial statement. What are the financial statements, Madhya? Can you tell me what are the financial statements?
Trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet.
Trading and profit and loss account and the balance sheet. So what is the procedure? First, you need to prepare a journal. Then you need to prepare a ledger. Then you need to prepare a trial balance. Then you prepare a trading account. Then you need to prepare a profit and loss account. Then you need to prepare a balance sheet. This is the procedure. So if you want to prepare a financial statements, if you want to prepare a balance sheet, there is a procedure. You must close ledgers. You must close trial balance. You must close trading. A lot of procedure is there. So preparation of the financial statements in manual accounting system and computerized accounting system. Okay, here if you take a manual computerized accounting system, it will be prepared at the end of, we can't prepare on daily basis. That's for sure. We can't prepare at a single transaction happen, you cannot update your financial statements. Here you can prepare the financial statements only at the end of the period or end of the quarter. But here the advantage of a computerized accounting system, it is provided at a click of button. It is ready always. Ready always. That means what, sir? How it is ready? How it is ready means, here when you are preparing the journal entry, simultaneously the entry will go to ledger, simultaneously the entry will go to the trial balance, simultaneously the entry will go to the trading account if it is trading item, it will go to the profit and loss account if it is a profit and loss account item, it is a balance sheet item, and simultaneously it will update your all subsidiary books. When you save the transaction, the real time, all these accounting processes will get completed and it will prepare all the subsidiary books. This is the advantages of computerized accounting system. So every company now wants a computerized accounting system. Why? Because it's helping and it's saving a lot of time and manpower. Before, there is a 2 to 3 persons are required in the accounts department to complete the accounting process. But now a single accountant can complete the accounting process. Why? Here in computerized accounting systems, the softwares are available which will help you to prepare a direct balance sheet profit. It will prepare automatically. Software will prepare. Just you need to write the entry. So this is the advantage. So in the first point also we learned, if you want to act as a manual accountant, you must have a sound accounting knowledge. Here, no. If you know the general entry, that's it. All remaining work should be done by the computers. This is the advantage. That's why don't worry that if you don't have a sound accounting knowledge. With this course, is it possible to act as a virtual accountant? Means yes. We will define the process. The software already defined the mechanism of preparation of the financial statements. The software is mechanized to complete the accounting process, the auditing process, the tax compliances has to be taken care in development of the software. The only thing is, as a virtual accountant, you must select a correct software. You must check the software whether it is in a position to generate all the financial statements or not, generating or not. So this is why we are to learn why we have to become a virtual accountant means there are a lot of advantages. We can save how much time it will take. Generally, we will prepare a balance sheet at the year ending. But if you are using a computer software, it's preparing on the mouse click, means indirectly it's saving your 1 year time. Can you measure the value for the 1 year of time? No. That's why now the terminations before, if you want to terminate an accountant, you can't terminate in the mid of the period. Why? Because you know till what he updated, what journal entries are posted into the ledger before jobs are secured in the accounts department. But nowadays, no. If you pass the journal entry, your books of accounts are updated. You can get terminated anytime because the books of accounts are updated. So these are the basic comparisons between the manual and computerized accounting system. So the meaning is meaning, which is a manual means manual, computerized means computerized. Recording in the original books, recording in the database, calculations manually performed, their computer will do the performance, do the calculations. Speed, yes, manual accounting system is slow. Computerized accounting system is comparatively faster. Adjustment entries, yes, manual accounting system is made for the rectification of entries. Computerized accounting system is not made for the rectification of entries. Backup, there is no facility, there is no word called backup in the manual accounting system. But yes, in computerized accounting system, you can save the transactions and you can take the backup, external backup, internal backup you can take, and you can save the transactions. And in the future, if you need, you can use the backups which are already saved. The trial balance, yes, in the manual accounting system, we can prepare the trial balance whenever required. But in the computerized accounting system, it will be trial balance is available at the end of the day, or we can say at the end of the transaction, or we can say after completion of the transaction. And the financial statements, yes, in the manual accounting system, the financial statement will be prepared at the end of the period. That may be a 6 months or 3 months or a 1 year or 1 month, a specific period, and you need to complete all the accounting cycle to update the financial statements. But here in the computerized accounting system, yes, it is all the financial statements are available on the mouse click, all times at the real time. Why, sir? This is the advantage of a computer applications. It will complete your accounting process. The only your duty is to book the journal entry, properly book the journal entry. Okay, clear? Any doubts you can ask me. If you people are not having any doubts, I will ask. So can I go one by one? Anita, are you clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay, can you tell me the difference for the backup?
Yeah, in manual accounting system, backup is not possible. But in computerized accounting system, it is possible. We can save, we can backup, and we can reopen, and we can reuse it whenever necessary.
Very good. Thank you. Sheikh Abdullah. Speed.
Yes, sir.